Hi students, today we are going to discuss about the part 2 of magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Today highlight topic is snow. What is snow? First, second is right hand thumb rule. First of all, what is snow? Snow. Snow means south, north, over, west. This theory was proposed by the great scientist, the leading scientist, Weierstrass. What is snow theory? Then that theory Weierstrass proposed. First of all, Weierstrass found that whenever electric current flows through a conductor, a magnetic field is produced around it, or that conductor behaves like a magnet. We have already discussed. But now what is snow theory? Suppose the electric current flows from south end to north end through a conductor. The electric current flows from south end to north end inside a conductor. Suppose it is the south end, it is the north end. Suppose we have to take a small bar magnet near the conductor. Whenever we placed the bar magnet near the conductor, the bar magnet has mainly two poles. One is called north pole, another is called south pole. We observe that the needle of the compass it gets deflected by the electric conductor. From that point of view, we concluded that we get that the electric current in which it flows, that conductor behaves like a magnet. So here the deflection, if it is the original deflection, but whenever the current flows through it, that is deflected towards it. So which pole is deflected? In which direction is it deflected? What is the property? Why? Why the needle is get deflected? That phenomenon, that properties, I'll bring you in front of you. Let's. The bar magnet has two ends. One is north end, another is south ends. Current flows from south to north direction. So Weierstrass observed that whenever current flows through it, the north end of the compass is deflected away, and it is deflected along the direction of west direction. West is the west direction and it is the east direction. The needle is deflected towards west direction, and that compass is present below the conductor. It means, or the conductor is present above the compass. So from that theory, Weierstrass observed that, Weierstrass concluded that whenever current flows from south to north direction, south to north, the compass is deflected towards west direction. It is deflected towards west direction. When that compass present below it, so when that compass present below it, it is deflected by the electric wire. But whenever the current flows from north direction to south direction. But whenever the current flows from north direction to south direction, and if the magnetic compass is present below it, we get that its north needle, its north end of the needle is gets deflected towards east direction, So our previous theory was SNOW. When current flows from south to north and the magnetic compass present below the conductor, then its north needle is deflected towards west direction. But whenever the theory was reversed, whenever the current flows from north direction to south direction and the magnetic compass is present below the electric conductor, we get that the east north needle of the compass is deflected away, above, is deflected away towards or away east direction. So whenever SN will be changed, then one change will be possible. But if we make double change, if SNOW becomes SN will be NS, O will be below, then W will be remains as before. It means whenever current flows from north to south and the magnetic compass present below, means this direction, present below the electric wire, at that point the needle of the compass is deflected towards also its west direction. Let's we discuss about right hand thumb rule. What is right hand thumb rule? Suppose it is a right hand. In this case, suppose it is the thumb. Here it is the thumb. That thumb indicates the direction of a current, direction of a flow of a current, direction of a flow of a current, and the other four fingers indicates the direction of a magnetic field. But these four fingers should be in curl form. It means whenever the four fingers are curled, that thumbs indicate the direction of current. Suppose it is a electric conductor. If we hold it, our thumbs, that thumbs indicates the direction of current. It means the current flows from downward to upward. At that case, the other four curled fingers, look at here, gives the direction of magnetic field. It means whenever current flows from south to north, then the magnetic fields present in perpendicular to that direction of the current, first case, and in secondly, the movement of magnetic fields is from left to right. It means the magnetic fields from west to east. It means whenever current flows from south to north, the magnetic field lines is directed away from west to east. So it is called right hand thumb rule.